Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss how to create simple login page using Angular CLI. For this I have created this is the very simple form. I have used a h1 tag to display a header text simple login form. I have created a div class with the name of input and for username field input type will be text and for password input type password and last one is input type submit. For this you may use button also. Okay, let's see how this page is displayed in browser. Okay, let's refresh this page. This is the page I have created. Username, password, login. If I enter username then password, once I click login, it will show you some message in console panel. This is the thing we will do here. Let's start. Okay. Before working with form components, you must import forms module in app module tab file. Okay. In component file, I create a to string. I will create here username user type string, then password string. In form, I would like to use ng model. For that, first I would name as ng model user. This is the way to assign ng model here in HTML page. Here I am using this string only. Then if I click submit, it will show you some message. For that, I have to create one method here. Manually, I am fixing the username and the password here. In our next video, we will discuss how to use database with the login page. If this dot user equal to within double quote admin, this dot password welcome to our channel. This means if I enter username as admin and the password as admin123, then if I click the submit, it will show you message as welcome to our channel in console panel. Before that, we have to assign this method in here. So I am using click event within bracket. You have to mention the event name. Within double quote, we have to mention that method name. Okay, let's see. The username admin, password I have typed. If I click the login, you may see a welcome to our channel. That message is displayed. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we will discuss how to use database with this login page. Okay, for more videos, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.